देखो मैंने अभी सिंपल सा वर्ड बोला था कि गुस्सा तुम्हारे पर सूट नहीं करता है, लेकिन आप कंफ्यूज हो गए। हालांकि आपको वर्ड्स पता थे, गुस्से की इंग्लिश क्या होती है, इसकी इंग्लिश क्या, उसकी इंग्लिश क्या, लेकिन आप जोड़ नहीं पाए। सो while speaking English, you know all the words, you know so many words, but you don't know how to construct those words in a proper way. That is speaking. Practice makes a man perfect. ये गलत है। प्रैक्टिस से इंसान बोर नहीं होता। प्रैक्टिस मेक्स इंप्रूवमेंट। When you do the task on a regular basis, when you do the task on so many times, you improve, you learn. You don't be perfect. You cannot be perfect. है ना? You cannot be perfect. Perfect is only one thing, our God, who created us. We cannot be perfect. We can improve. We can learn. We can get better by day by day. We can get better day by day. I have built a strong habit how to use those material into my way of talking. I have used so many times. That's why I am using in front of you properly. And while using those words, while using those sentences, while using those materials, I also make mistakes. आपको नहीं पता लगेगा, but I am making mistakes. I know so many times I made mistakes, but I don't worry about those mistakes because I know while speaking regular basis, I will improve that mistakes and that mistake will be gone. Right? Got the point? So while speaking English, you have to understand how to use those words in a sentence, how to construct those words in a sentence. That is the main issue. That is the main game. Because everyone know everything. सबको सब पता है. लेकिन they don't know how to use that word in a sentence. That is the main game. What you know, that is your knowledge. But what you speak, that is your habit. Right now I am speaking in front of you because why? I have built my strong habit. I have worked so many times in that process. That's why I have built a strong habit and all the words is coming out automatically like water, fluently. अपने आप बह रहे हैं मुंह से. क्यों हो रहा है ऐसा? Because I have built strong, very strong habit. I have worked hard so much in my learning period of time. तो कहने का मतलब ये है कि what you know, that is your knowledge, but what you speak, that is your habit. So you speak English or you speak any language based on habit, not based on knowledge. Hello, not based on knowledge. You cannot speak English by based on knowledge. I know so many people, I know so many teachers, with all the due respect, I know so many English teachers, they have a lot of knowledge in grammar. जो मैं पढ़ाता हूँ ना आपको, मुझसे बेहतर जानते हो. They know very well, very effectively about grammar. If you ask with them what is preposition, they will tell you. If you ask them what is adverb, they will tell you. They will explain you in detail कि ऐसे से होता है. But if you start speak in English with them, they will stuck. They will अरे नहीं अंग्रेजी क्या बोलूँगा मैं, अंग्रेजी मुझे नहीं आती. That means they know how to swimming in the water, but theoretically, not practically. मतलब उनको पानी में तैरना आता है, कैसे? माइंड में. पानी में धकेलोगे तो फिर जान निकल जाएगी उनकी. Are you able to understand मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? You are getting properly, everyone? So we have to build habit. Whatever knowledge we have conceived, whatever knowledge we have received through 2-3 months, we have to use on a regular basis so that we will build habit, and once we build habit, then we will speak. है ना? But to convert your knowledge into habit, in that process there will be so many mistakes. बहुत mistake होंगी. If you convert your knowledge into habit, so there will be lots of mistakes in that process. So do not afraid while making mistakes. I always tell people, मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि mistakes are the proof that you are trying.